Makiria ya Arwaru 2,500 aria mari na thina wa mahindi na marungo nimegukorwo makiamukira urigiti utari marihi na aria ya 250 megukorwo magithinjwo kuumana na mathina matiganite. Motungata uyu uri uheanitwo ni gikundi gia Future Health Africa na thibitari nene ya Nanyuki. Oho ni ugukorwo kiguna aikari ya kaunti iririgiceirie Tamiru, Nyandarua, Isiolo, Samburu na Nyeri.
Tu aige maturite miciine yao magire na accident tene muno matura miaka 14 mathire magitwika disabled ni tondu wa thina wa mahindi. Kwa ninyu turamwira muthenya wa muthe ni nywe mwathani arathimite na njira kurehe ndagitari ya othe guku na ithuĩ ta county government tugagikorwo tukimahete support iria yagiriire.
Ndagitari Samuel Danya uri urugamirire motungata ma guthinja arwaru a mahindi thibitari-ini wa Nanyuki augite motungata maya megukorwo makihuthira kigina kinene muno kia mbeca indi thirikari ni yehereirie marihi maya kuri arwaru othe.
Orthopedic management is an expensive process. A lot of patients will surgeries will cost over 200,000 shillings, some 300, some 500,000 shillings, and a lot of the patients can't afford that amount of money. So the county government of Laikipia has given us a leeway to treat people who have NHIF and the ones who don't without a pay, either for surgery or for consultations or drugs or x-rays during these 2 weeks.
Uria urathi na mbere na kurutwo ni aria mathondeketwo ndagika ino ni uira wina gikeno kinene muno, ni uira urahonokia micii mingi muno mwena-ini wa ngarama iria andu aitu moyaga guthie mathibitari-ini kana guthondekwo mirimu iyo ya guthinjwo uhoro wa mahindi.
Ataramu 17 kuma gikundi gia Future Health Africa megukorwo makinyitanira na aruna ao kuma guku bururi-ini niguo gukinyaniria motungata maya. Oho magitanyo kwigwatira utaramu makiria.
Our goal is to review people who have not had access to this kind of expertise, to operate those patients who haven't afforded before, and so that patients can benefit. But on top of patients, it's also to have exchange of knowledge and transfer of knowledge between ourselves and our colleagues from the United Kingdom.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.